supot-supot ka. Thank you, Papa! Oo, yan. Hi, interpretative dance.
Huwag kang magpagati, huwag kang magpagati. Kapag nandun sila sa ako, wala akong natulog ang aking bawat kabuluhan. Ito mo, bilisan mo ang takbo, ilagang mga bombang nakatuto sa kaulo mo. Tulog ka, tumapa kung kailangan, at baka tamaan pa ng mga balang sigaw. Huwag kang magpalapit.
Kamatayan ng katumbas sa salubong ko. Katarong ay bakit ba ganito? Kailangan ng katulad kong nasa ibang bansa, na aking sinasaktan kasama ang tanging pinagpala ay lalang dito sa banat ng buhay. Sino mapalan, sino ang kaawa-awa, kami bang halos ang buhay ay ialay sa bansa? Bagong bayani na ang sandata ay luha, bigyan naman mo kami kahit na konting awa. Mayroon pa bang naghihintay sa mga katulad ko? Mayroon pa bang umaasa na bumigay sana ng buhay buhay. Bigyan naman niyo kami kahit ng konting
Nag-cute yung love story da. Ibulit. Sana.
Hindi pala, hindi bomba, sa Marawi ang sagot. Ang isang lagot ay galit ang nabalo. Mga walang kamuwang-muwang, kaya ang luha at pagod. Aling at hikain ay di tamang sagot. Marawi, sabay-sabay natin ibabangon. Buong pagmamahal, tayo ay aahon. Marawi, darating din ang isang lapit hapon. Sisikat ang araw sa isang bagong ngayon. Kristiyano at Muslim, hindi ba't iisa? Lang tayo ni Allah, dahil isang Ama. Kung bubuksan ang puso ng bawat isa, sa mundo ang maghahari ay higit saya. Marawi, sabay-sabay nating ibabangon. Buong pagmamahal, tayo ay aahon.
Contestant number 6. Interpretative dance.
Hide away, they say, 'cause I'm the one who broken hearts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us. For we are glorious. Sharp words wanna cut you down. Gonna send a blood, gonna drown a mind. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. It's my spirit, the fight away. Today, won't let the truth in. Be honest and prove better pain. Wanna say, won't let them break me down. I know that there's a place for us. Always glorious. Wanna stand the sharp spurs wanna cut me down. I'm gonna stand up, gonna drown out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
The story of my life. Nagbasbasan ako sa high school. Nusumrong ako sa eskwela, kaya ako lang sa panagla ko tirabong. Lindo ka na kamangod, tangon adalang balona. Kanila kong bayad ko lagi masapol ng bayado. Kusumangpot ako si Madon, apanak sumurong kinanang kumanan nga agala tirabong ka na kuripatong. Tamu-tamu tilakok ti kabiligan naman. Una yan, isisilami lang ko asin, uno soy, uno kamantika, okay lang kanya. Una yung awang tibalong ko nga panagbasa sa muro kalatapos ng agungkot ko, ti pangarap ko ti biyag. Una yung unang diskwela aglako-laong kada naalas, nangisit, kada nakulapay, okay lang kanya, laban lang sel. Tapos nung nabulog ko ti, arapaap ko ti nagbiag ko. Ken, mapapang-araw ko ti nagbiag ti pamilya. And I thank you, Philippines.
See them, my heart tells me that I love you more than all.
Lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road of every day. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your love. Lead me, Lord, all my life. You are my light. You're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my life. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord.
Ang aking pong munting talento ay nagpapakita po kung gaano kahirap ang dinaranas ng ating mundo. Bakit? Dahil po tayo ay nakakaranas ng iba't ibang sakit. Nakakaranas din po tayo ng iba't ibang sakuna tulad ng bagyo, lindol at iba pa. Pero ibahin mo ang mga tao o ang mga Pilipino dahil tayo ay malalakas. Anumang dagok ang dumating sa ating buhay, kaya natin itong labanan dahil lahat ng problema may solusyon. Basta kumapit ka lang sa Kanya. At gusto kong ipakilala sa inyo muli ang aking pananiniwalaan. Lagi siya ang gumagabay sa akin. At gusto ko rin sambahin natin siya, dapat nating purihin. Wala na pong iba kung hindi ang ating Panginoong Heso Kristo. Maraming salamat po. And give our YouTuber. May YouTuber po tayo sa ngayon. His YouTube and blogger account is Meticuloso. Sir, thank you very much for coming and gracing this occasion. Sooner or later, after a few days, nabuhay tayo to amoy Kabarwan to YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much. Sigaw na taga-Jasin. Hello, candidate number 1. You are from Benben, right? Kanina sa introduction mo?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Any message for your supporters out there? Both.
Thank you for coming here with me tonight. SK chairman of my barangay, Sheng, my cousins, and especially my friends, Arky and Kuya Jaymar. Hi po, thank you for coming.
Okay, thank you very much, Apu, for coming and gracing also this occasion. Okay, let's now proceed to the preliminary interview. We'll look at the hashtag muna ni. Hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag makeup.
Hashtag makeup. Well, in today's generation, I believe that there are so many surgeries there are so many surgeries that are being invented that make people be beautiful. I think that makeup is also one of the key for us to be able to boost our confidence. But at the end of the day, your natural beauty will be the top of your beauty. Thank you and good evening.
Okay, well said, candidate number 1. Thank you very much. You can stay there, okay? Ng Manila, just to join Miss Gwen Cabarwan. Well, thank you very much, dear, for joining and gracing also this occasion.
How are you related to Ding Segundo Bagalay? Kaano-ano mo si Ding Segundo Bagalay?
Dito po.
Tito, where is Ding Segundo Bagalay? Nandito kaya siya ngayon? Or lasing na naman? Ay, awan. Okay. Pwede ka nang bumulot ng iyong hashtag. Hashtag, may boyfriend ka ngayon?
Meron.
Sana all. Kailan kayo maghihiwalay? Bukas na din. Pag naubos na ang kanilang prize. Charles, your hashtag is hashtag love.
Para sa akin, ang pagmamahal ay nakikita kung saan meron tayo ngayon. Yung binibigay nating pagmamahal sa ating mga magulang, yung ginagawa nating pagmamahal sa kanila, nagsisikap tayo na mahalin yung sarili natin dahil tayo ito. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Kenneth number 3. Okay, patusakam na ko. Kaya pa tonight? Okay. You are from
Poblasyon Lapan.
Poblacion. Your real name is?
Patrick.
Patrick
Salon.
Patrick Salondi. Kaano-ano ni Kuya Bong Salondi dito eh? Ay, Tito, okay, hi, nice meeting you, dear. Ay, Tito Bong, our friend of ours. Ewan siya matagpunot eh. Okay, your hashtag is freedom.
Freedom. Ito po ay nagpapalaya sa atin kung ano ang dapat nating gawin at sa pamagitan ng mga hindi pagpapanggap sa mga gawain nating mali. Ito ay isang mapagpalaya para sa ating kinabukasan o gawin lahat para sa ating kinabuhayan at successful na buhay. Yan lamang po. Thank you.
Thank you, Ding. Wani, kamusta na kandukin ni Tito? Ano to? Miss Chelsea. Miss Chelsea nga ko ah.
Chelsea na malo. Ay,
Miss
manalo.
Chelsea na malo. Kunan. Ay, is this your first time to join this kind of pageant? Yes, okay. How's the feeling? Yes, sir, nakakulot. Pero wala namang problema, di ba? Wala namang problema. How's the feeling? Ay, kumusta naman ang iyong pakiramdam?
Okay.
Okay lang. Well,
Okay.
mayat.
Sumali ka pa ulit?
Do you feel... Uy, don't be nervous. Nervous ka? Relax ka lang na kung. Relax ka lang mo, umangat sinaunod. Kaya mo yan. Hanggang mas masikip. Relax lang. Sige, munod ka di hashtag mo. Okay. See, agpalakpak manami yung supporters si Kenneth number 4. O, diba ang dami ng supporters? Laban ng anak ko. Well, your hashtag is... Ano boyfriend mo? Kaya boyfriend? Someday. Kasi di hashtag mo ko, boyfriend. Ano yung ko na may bagang boyfriend?
Hashtag boyfriend.
No, sumasaron ko nga tao-taon mo. Ay nga, di kaya't mo quality ti may isang lalaki, nagbaling yung boyfriend mo.
Nagagod.
Nagagod. Nyakay.
Natinitay.
DJ lang ako, kawalan mo.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much ako. Ay, Miss Kay Pangal, di ba Miss Ava?
Nagkalaban kay Miss Ava. Ay, napakulo.
Yes. Hi, candidate number 5. Okay, good evening. Your hashtag is gift.
My hashtag is gift. Gift. G stands for gender. I stands for identity. F stands for friend. T stands for transgender. A gift. I think the best gift that God given to me is for being who am I and who am I. It gift.
I think the gift, the best gift that I will share to others is my love. Love yourself, love others, and love God in order you to become a better person. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Candidate number.
Lady coming from Poblacion, La Paz. Hi, Miss J.
Hi, ma'am.
How's your feeling tonight?
A little bit pressure and nervous.
Feel relaxed na po. Feel relaxed because you are not a pressure cooker. O, kalamatan. Saris. Okay, buhat ka yung hashtag mo. Okay, your hashtag is success.
Ladies and gentlemen, all of us have our own definition of success. But for me, success is helping other people to grow and develop and teach them your experience to learn and to grow as an individual. Because a true queen doesn't define the crown, but the heart and the knowledge that you give to other people makes you a true queen. Thank you.
Very well said, candidate number 6. Thank you very much. Ako, ito yung unang-unang kong tatanungin sa'yo, candidate number 7. Ilang days mo itong ginawa?
Almost 6 months.
6 months in the making. Wow.
Siyempre,
In fairness sa akin, nagpintas ako, nung mas ganyan lang ko mga kitain,
Actually, ito po kasi yung ipapasa ko sa finals. Pero naisipan ko na isali muna bago ipasa.
para may lock, diba? Hopefully, magiging lock siya sa'yo tonight, this gown. Okay, you can now pick your hashtag. Yeah, di ba siya mabigat? Okay. Yung apay ka nung mag-green ko na problema na tatay pala.
My favorite color.
Oh, favorite color na mo.
So, ano ang favorite color?
Favorite color na as well as si favorite drinks at Mountain Dew. Okay, moving on. Your hashtag is respect. Respect.
Thank you. For me, respect is nakikita natin sa ating sarili. Ito ay ipakikita natin pangrespeto sa ating kapwang tao. Especially sa ating parents. Kung wala sila, wala tayo. Kaya give love and respect to others and our family. Thank you.
Candidate number 8.
Hello, kabuhay!
Kumusta ka tonight?
Okay lang.
Can you say hi, hello to your supporters?
Hi, hello, mga supporters. Salamat sa support sa amin. Hi, thank you.
Yes, nakikita ko din ng dito si Mother. Hello, Mother. Thank you for coming and gracing this occasion. Okay. You can now pick your hashtag, candidate number 8. Okay. Your hashtag is Christmas. Pasko.
Hashtag Christmas. Christmas is important to others because dahil ang Pasko ay pinagdidiwang ang kapanakan ni Panginoon. Maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you very much, candidate. Candidate number 8. Moving on, candidate number 9. Hi, candidate number 9. Is this your first time to join pageant? Second. Second time mo na to. Okay, so how's the feeling mo? Okay, I heard that you are from Narutacan, Las. And who is your mother?
My mother is Marilyn Valencia.
Ni Ate Agalin. Okay. So how are you related to Ding again? Ay, hello, the supportive mother. Hello, ma'am. Thank you for coming. So you can now pick your hashtag, nako. Your hashtag is LGBT plus community. LGBT plus community. Lesbian, gays, bisexual, transgender plus community. Ang mga kabaklaan, katumbuyan, lahat ng kasiyahan.
Hashtag LGBTQ. Ay ninalait. Pero malalakas ito. Nabibigay ng kasiyahan sa lahat ng mga tao. And I thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 9. To complete our preliminary interview. Okay. Hi, candidate number 10.
Hi, ma'am.
I heard you have your longtime boyfriend.
Yes?
Is he right here tonight?
Wala.
Okay. Naghanap ng iba. Charis, joke lang. You cannot picture. Maghahanap din daw siya ng iba tonight. Sorry po. Your hashtag is beauty.
Okay, my hashtag is beauty. When we say beauty, we have two types of beauty, which is the beauty outside and the beauty inside. Beauty outside, it is your physical appearance that you can see. The beauty inside, it is your value. Lahat po tayo ay may kanya-kanyang kagandahan. Nasa atin na lamang po kung paano natin ito gagamitin. Dahil hindi po susi ang kagandahan upang ikaw ay magtagumpay. Nasa iyo pa rin po gagawin lahat ng bagay para magawa mo lahat ng iyong pangarap. Isa lamang po ang aking sasabihin, basta po huwag kang tatapak ng ibang tao. Maraming salamat po.